Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a digital calendar on Canva. Let's get started. Creating a beautiful personalized digital calendar is a fantastic project. Whether you want to keep yourself organized, share important dates with your family, or even create a branded promotional item for your business. The great news is that with Canva, the entire process is intuitive, creative, and completely free to start. A digital calendar is versatile. You can save it as a PDF to print at home, share it as a view-only link with friends, or even use it as a digital wallpaper. We're going to walk through every single step, from choosing the right template to adding your final artistic touches, ensuring you have a stunning final product. First, you need to open Canva in your web browser. Head to canva.com and log into your account. If you don't have one, signing up is quick and free, and you won't need any paid plans for this project. Once you're on the Canva homepage, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is where we begin. Type in calendar and press enter. You will instantly be presented with hundreds of template options. This can feel overwhelming, but it's a great way to start inspired. Take a moment to scroll through. You'll see wall calendars, desk calendars, monthly spreads, and yearly overviews. Hover your cursor over any design you like to preview all its pages. Some templates are a single page for an entire year, while others are multi-page documents with a dedicated spread for each month. Look for a design that resonates with your goal. If you see a small crown icon on a template, that means it's a premium feature for Canva Pro users. Don't worry, there are countless amazing templates that are totally free for everyone. For this tutorial, let's choose a clean, modern monthly calendar template that has a clear space for a photo on each page. After you've clicked on your chosen template, it will open in most of the Canva editor. Your workspace is now ready. Before we add any personal elements, let's understand the layout. You'll likely have the front cover and then subsequent pages for the months. On the left sidebar, you'll see all the pages of your document listed. You can click on any page to jump to it. The first thing I recommend doing is setting up your color scheme and fonts to ensure a cohesive look. This is a crucial step for a professional result. Look at the toolbar at the top of the editor. If you click on any text element, a font menu will appear. Choose a font you like for your headings. A good rule is to use no more than 2 or 3 different fonts in the entire calendar to avoid a chaotic look. For example, use one bold font for the month names and a simpler, clean font for the dates. Next, let's establish a color palette. Click on any element, like a shape or a background, and you'll see a color tile in the top toolbar. Clicking it opens a color picker. You can choose from Canva's default palettes or input custom hex codes if you have specific brand colors. Once you find a primary color you love, use the eyedropper tool to apply that same color to other elements throughout the calendar, like borders, lines, or highlighted dates. Consistency is key. Now, for the most fun part, adding your photos. A digital calendar becomes truly personal when it features your own memories, projects, or inspirational images. To upload your photos, look to the left sidebar and click on the Uploads tab. Here, you can click the Upload Files button and select images from your computer. Alternatively, you can simply drag and drop image files from your desktop directly into the Canva editor window. They will automatically appear in your Uploads panel. Let's start with the cover page. Most templates have a placeholder image frame. Simply click and drag your chosen photo from the Uploads panel and drop it right onto that frame. The photo will snap into place. You can then use the cropping tool that appears to adjust the focus within the frame. Maybe you want to zoom in on a face or shift the image to highlight a specific detail. For a family calendar, a great group photo or a picture of your home makes a perfect cover. Moving on to the individual months. Click on the page for January in the left sidebar. You'll see the calendar grid and likely another image placeholder. Repeat the process. Drag a photo from your uploads into the frame. Think thematically. Maybe use a snowy picture for January or a beach photo for July. If your template doesn't have a pre-made frame, you can easily add one. Go to the Elements tab in the sidebar and search for frame. Choose a shape, drag it onto the canvas, and then drag your photo into that frame. But what if you want to feature more than one photo on a month? You can use a photo grid. In the Elements tab, search for Grid. Canva offers many layout options with multiple squares or rectangles. Select one that fits the number of photos you have, drag it onto your page, and resize it. Then, drag your photos one by one from your Uploads panel into each segment of the grid. You can then crop and position each photo within its individual cell for a perfect, polished collage effect. Let's talk about customizing the calendar dates themselves. This is super important for a functional digital calendar. Click on the text box containing the dates. You can change the font color or size if needed. But more importantly, you need to add your personal important dates. Click on the text button in the sidebar to add a new text box. Type in a birthday, anniversary, or deadline. Then, you can style this text. I like to use a bright, contrasting color for special events, and maybe even add a small graphic icon from the Elements tab. Search for things like star, heart, or flag, and place a tiny icon next to the date for a clear visual cue. You can copy and paste this styled event to other months, just changing the date and description. Canva also has powerful photo editing tools built right in. If a photo from a family member is a bit dark or the colors are dull, you can fix it instantly. Click on the photo you want to edit. A toolbar will appear above it. Click Edit Image. Here, you'll find sliders for brightness, contrast, saturation, and more. You can also apply filters with a single click to give your photos a consistent aesthetic, like vintage or modern. There's even a duotone effect under the Filters section, which lets you apply two colors to a photo for a very artistic, thematic look. Play with these tools. But remember, subtlety often works best to maintain a clean and professional appearance across all pages. Once you've designed all 12 months and the cover, it's time to think about the final page. You might want to add a notes section, a yearly overview for 2025, or your contact information if it's a business calendar. Use the Elements and text tools to create this. Now, before you finalize, share your calendar with others for feedback. Click the Share button in the top right corner. In the menu, click to create a shareable link. You can set the link to be view only. This means anyone with the link can see your calendar design and leave comments with reactions or suggestions, but they cannot edit it. This is perfect for getting approval from family or colleagues without risk of them accidentally changing your hard work. When you are completely satisfied with every page, it's time to download your digital calendar. Click Share again, and this time select Download. A crucial menu will pop up. For a digital calendar, the best file type is PDF print. This format preserves the highest quality and page layout, making it perfect for printing at home or at a professional print shop, or simply for keeping as a sharp digital file. You can also choose PDF Standard if you just want to share it digitally for viewing on screens. Ensure you select Pages, All to download the entire document. Then, click Download. Your beautiful custom digital calendar will now save to your computer, ready to be used, shared, or printed all year long.
By the way, if you want to use Canva and social media to make extra money each month, one of the simplest ways is by creating and selling digital products. It's very beginner-friendly. You can make something like an ebook, checklist, or guide in Canva once, then sell it over and over again with almost no ongoing costs. That means profit margins are extremely high, and you don't need to work crazy hours. You don't even have to show your face if you don't want to. Literally just 3 to 5 hours of work per week can realistically make you thousands per month in profit. If you want to see exactly how this works step by step, start by watching the free video linked in the description.